Happy 4th of July, everybody. I'm at a horse farm in, I guess, the rural part of Durham, North Carolina. But anyway, I'm gonna show you it's my granddad's girlfriend. She is nice enough to let me film her horse farm. This is the Snow Hill Horse Farm. I believe that's the name. Anyway, it's real beautiful out here. They have a lot of land and a lot of beautiful horses. Look at this barn. Now this barn, it doesn't look that big, but man, I feel like I'm at the state fair the first time I came here last year. Oh, the smell of smells like the fair. You know when you start smelling the barns and. Oh, there's Booger, short for Booger. Tells you what to give them. Oh, cool, an old horseshoe with. Hey, Booger, I wish I had a treat to give you. They have some of those little Christmas mints. Oh, you're cooling off in the water, huh? Hey, buddy. Hey. And they have all kinds of good horses, Clydesdales and Snow Hill Farm. It's like a little office, I guess. Oh, there's some saddles and stuff in there. Some of the horses may be gone. There's another. Faith. Have a little faith in me. Hey, Faith. How are you, Faith? You doing all right? Hey, baby. I think. Hey! How's it going? Look at that. Oh, look. See, I wish I had some treats to give them. Hey! How's it going? Hey, how are you? Come here. You are beautiful. You doing all right? And there's another one. Hey. And oh, you're gorgeous too. Come here. Wow, look at the mane on that. That's a muscular horse. Hey, buddy. Hey, you are pretty. Or handsome, I should say, huh? I don't know. I don't know what you are. I should know, huh? Oh, he's walking away now. Oh, yep, he's a man for real. Those things, see those little shoes, those are expensive. Becky was saying just the stuff for horses are very expensive. Like that garment right there on his head. Yeah, it's stuff like that. It's really expensive to keep and maintain horses. But look at the size of this barn, though. It is. But yeah, yeah. I think this donkey right here, he runs into the walls. He's pretty old. They usually keep something, on his head because he runs into the wall sometimes. Hey, how are you? How's it going? You chilling? I saw a couple of your buddies out there. Wait. Yeah, this is the old donkey. They usually, yeah, this is the one they usually have something on his head because he can't see very well. Hey! Hey, buddy. You need some water, don't you? God, those flies must be bothering the hell out of you. Yeah, Henry. Henry's his name. Henry the donkey. Poor Henry. Hey, Henry. You were so cool. I didn't think you had many teeth, Henry, but you do. Now look at this. This is like I assume to be the training facility. Yeah, because look, they even have little bleachers over there where you can enjoy watching the horses jump these obstacles. And there is the outside of that big barn. Hey, even a little nice porch on the side of it. There's a horse trailer. Actually, one of the bosses at my work has horses. She'll enjoy seeing this. This is really cool. Nice sand. Feels soft on their hooves. On their beautiful hooves. Very cool, though. Place is amazing. Some people out there partying, it sounds like. I don't know if they're affiliated with Becky. Well, anyway, I appreciate you joining me. And I hope I don't know a lot about horses, so I just I got permission from her. She was glad to let me film this, and if you're a horse fan, I'm sure you'll know a little bit more than me about what you saw. So anyway, thank you much, and I'll see you soon.